Mr. Capper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finish your assembly. This is part 2 in the video series. Part 1, I had a lot of problems assembling the solar panel, and doing my practice videos, I had problems as well. The order is super important. You probably are going to need my help. So I bring in the solar panel, right click, OK. And depending on the order, this will or will not work for you. The first one's obvious, is to do a mate. So it's like you're gluing that down to the top of your mount. Then the next step is not so obvious. For some reason, we don't have a rounded edge, so you can't really use flush. And I'm hoping I'll mess this up. If you touch this edge and you do that first, this does not work on my car for some reason. I have to start with this edge. Make sure you have the edge and you're using mate. And then this edge, apply. And then same thing over here. I want to make sure I get the edge and the edge. Apply. If you have issues putting this on, call me over, because it's taken me a really long time to get this to work right too. Now I want to put the nut and bolt and washer on there, so I'm going to bring in the bolt. I'm going to hold down Control to bring multiple things in. There's my washer, and then nut. Do a left click and then a right click, OK. And then I also want a second washer, so I'm going to go back in here again, find my washer, and this is why you named everything with a proper name. Left click, right click, OK. Now I'm going to put my bolt going in from the bottom. So what I'm going to do, probably another way to do this, but I'm going to use Insert. I'm going to touch this. It's either this circle or that circle, doesn't matter which one. Touch that, and then touch it up against this hole that it's going through. Apply. And then same thing with the top, you want another washer right up against there. And notice it's nice to do this assembly, because I had issues before where this 4 was in the wrong spot and this didn't sit flat. Which is not ideal, not the end of the world, but not ideal. Make sure you always hit apply. And then lastly, put this nut there, hit apply. So notice everything's lined up really well on here. Notice my motor will move back and forth. Make sure when you show this to me, though, that you line this up. One thing I'm going to want to check on yours is that this is the proper length where you could actually tension up that band. You don't run out of space to tension the band up with the belt. What you might do to make this easier is to look at the car from this side and do a flush, but do an offset on this so this motor doesn't twist all around when I come to check it for you. So flush this up against here. It's not flushed. So I want to look at it from this direction and do an offset. That's pretty accurate. Basically, I'd look at it from below too. Got pretty lucky on that number. So now I should be able to check your car pretty easily and go like this and see I got plenty of space on my car to tension up that band. I know this is definitely more than enough, and I know if that'll definitely be loose enough going that direction. So that'll be the main thing I'll check with your car. Let me know if you have any more questions.